Hey guys, it's the Fearless Bloxy here for another Pizza Party March 2019 event. This is the fifth one we've done, and for this video we're gonna be doing the balloon Pauldrons. We already did the boombox backpack. We already did the pianata hat. We already did the crown, but today we're gonna be doing the Pauldrons. So you gotta play games like Blocks Hunt, Road Trip, and the theme park if you want, but just choose a few of these games that I tell you so you can do this event. So search a Blocks Hunt. For this example, aka tutorial, I'll be doing Blocks Hunt just because it's easiest and I'm more used to it. So, Pizza Party Community. So this is the Pizza Party Community badge. Earn this badge from a player who has a purple community pizza launcher. The launcher can only be used during intermission. So, to be able to get this prize, you have to be shot by a developer. You have to be shot by a video star, a developer, and admin. No, admin has the green ones. Video star, you have to be shot by a video star. So yeah, purple community pizza launcher. So let's try to get into a game and see if we can be able to get the purple we can be able to get the balloon Pauldrons, which seem to be pretty hard to get. This might be one of the hardest we've done. Oh, okay, so is this a purple launcher? Yes, we have purple launchers. Shoot me, sir. Shoot me. Hey, there you go. I got the balloon Pauldrons. Good game. We just got balloon Pauldrons. Nice, amazing, cool, great. Yeah.